Welcome back. Very toasty out there in southern Nevada this afternoon as our above normal temperatures continue. We're looking at around 109 degrees right now in Las Vegas, which is about 10 degrees above average. Now, we're also 109 towards Boulder City, 110 towards East Las Vegas, Laughlin 113 at the moment, Moapa and Mesquite sharing 110. Pahrump, you guys are 105. A little bit closer into the valley shows that variety of temperatures that we do see. Of course, that is impacted by elevation and the urban environment. So oftentimes it's hotter towards downtown because there's a lot more concrete over there. Higher elevations, of course, a little bit cooler in the 80s right now. We are above average. Typically on this day, we would see around 100 degrees this time in June. Our low temperature would be around 76. Now, overnight, we did tie that low record of 86 degrees for our overnight temperature. So definitely a toasty night. Not anywhere close to that record high temperature, though, set in 1940 at 116 degrees. Tomorrow will be toasty. Once again, looking at a high temperature of 110 here in Las Vegas. But we're going to start to see that heat change a little bit because we have a little bit of an influence of low pressure. So we're looking at some windy conditions tomorrow, especially in the afternoon hours, with those wind speeds getting up to around 20 miles per hour by 5 p.m. We're going to see even stronger gusts tomorrow afternoon. So you can kind of see as we progress into the afternoon hours for our Monday, those winds really increase not only in Clark County in Las Vegas, but really throughout southern and central Nevada. And we will see those gusts peak around 30, 35 miles per hour, possibly up to 40 miles per hour. With that wind, we are going to be tracking some increased fire weather danger. Now, of course, what happens when it gets this time of year? It's hot out there, it's dry in the environment, and then you get those winds. So if a spark were to start, then it can spread really quickly. That's why we do have that fire weather watch in effect for Clark County and a lot of us here in Nevada tomorrow. Also, Utah and western Arizona will be sharing that warning for tomorrow. So just remember, it will be a little bit breezy tomorrow with a high temperature of 110 degrees. We'll cool off a little bit for Tuesday with a high of 106, but then get right back up there to 110 on Wednesday, Thursday.